Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do a Brigitte Bardot inspired half up messy hairstyle. To start, I've popped some curls through the hair, but this doesn't have to be perfect, and I've popped it into a side parting. Next, gather up the crown area, and with the hair underneath I'm just going to clip this out of the way for later. Next, I'm going to add some volume powder all over the roots. I'll pop everything that I use in the description below. Now, taking thin sections of hair, I'm going to hold them straight up and back comb the roots. The more you back comb, the bigger this area will be. Once you're done, flip everything back over and gently comb out the very top layer with a comb. Gather that back comb section in your hand at the back of the head and give it one full turn to create a twist. Hold this to the head and then slip a closed bobby pin up through that twist so you can't see it. Remove the clips from the bottom section and then we're going to gently pinch and pull at the hair to create some more messy volume. The messier you can get this, the better it looks. Secure everything in place with some Stronghold hairspray, and then to give it a really lived in sort of dishevelled look, I'm adding some dry texture spray throughout those waves. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.